So obviously, a little bit too much, eh? Does pretty good. Who knows if the tip's gonna break or not? So here's my Bark River Cub. Here's the sheath it comes with. It's a, I can't remember the name of the sheath, but here we go. So we just use it to help make this fire, and yeah, it's pretty good. Got a lanyard on it so I don't drop it. And here's how it looks in hand. Here's how it looks like this. And yeah, it's a pretty fun knife. Fire's getting nice and hot. Oh.
Okay, thanks.
Pretty thin tip. So this is just a water bottle bag I got off Amazon. And like, here's the Nalgene water bottle. It's filled, ready to go. And today, it's kind of hard to believe, but I actually just went boating with a friend, and we were thinking, oh, let's just stop and have a fire. And we're like, well, how are we going to do that? Well, he had a ferro rod and I had a knife, and he had his Bravo 1, and we didn't have a saw, nothing. All we had was one Bravo 1 bushcraft knife and one Bark River Cub. And yeah, this is how it looks after all that. There is, so what I've done is, yes, I've oiled it, I've washed it, taken care of it. I mean, that's what you do to make a knife like this last. But yeah, so it was great. Like, this today was one of the few times where you're out and about and you're like, oh, you know what? I have a tool for that, and he had a ferro rod. And yeah, it's hard to believe that that's how things went, but you know, can't plan for everything, right? So yeah, if anything, I'd say it's a good reason to always go somewhere prepared with at least something.